Good morning and welcome to day 6 of Life Skill Enhancement Program. Self-knowledge is the beginning of all wisdom, Sir Aristotle. But the question is, who am I? It is a very difficult question to answer, and it is deeply philosophical. But because it is difficult to answer, it doesn't mean that we should not move towards it. Let's start with a very simplistic concept to know more about ourselves, which is self-awareness. Now, what is self-awareness? Self-awareness means being closer to yourself, knowing about your strengths, your weaknesses, your likes, dislikes, your values, ethics, your emotional and psychological needs. Now, to understand more about ourselves, we have to do one activity every day. You have to maintain a reflective diary, or you can name it reflections of the day. So whatever things has happened to you today, the things which has moved you or made you sad, made you happy, made you thrilled, or any different type of emotion, just write it down and think about it. It will help you to be more closer to yourself, and it also helps us to take decisions in our life. There is one more interesting activity which we can do for self-awareness. Now, I have prepared a set of questions for you. Okay, and you have to write the answers of all those questions, and I hope you will be more closer to yourself. Let's start. So the first question is, what are the 5 best things of being you? What is something that makes your family special? What do you love doing? What makes you feel happy? What makes you feel sad? What makes you feel angry? What do you want to become when you grow up? And for adults, if you want to change your profession, what would that be? What is the best thing that has happened to you? What did you learn from the best thing that has happened to you? What is the worst thing that has happened to you? And what did you learn from that thing? What do you know enough that you could teach to someone? Okay, what thing you have learned as a child and which is most useful to you as an adult also? What are the things you are grateful for? How do you feel scared? When you feel scared, and what you do to feel less scared? Okay, and which person you think is your well-wisher in your family or colleague, maybe relative, your neighborhood, the person you really feel that yes, he's my real well-wisher. You have to identify that person and why. Okay, and similarly you have to identify the person which hates you and why. You have to find out the reasons also. Okay, so please do all those the 2 exercises, and we'll meet again with the next video.